Welcome back. If you're building landing pages with Onepage, a clean dashboard and fast workflow make a huge difference. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through 3 things: how to archive and restore projects, how to save time by duplicating, and how to transfer a project to a client when the job is done. Less searching, more building. Let's jump straight into the dashboard. In this video, we're covering 3 things. First, staying organized. How to archive, delete, and restore your projects and pages. Then, speeding up your workflow. Duplicating projects, pages, and sections so that you're not rebuilding from scratch every time. And finally, wrapping up a project cleanly. Transferring it over to a client and handing over full ownership. Let's get into it. Here's why these 3 things are worth knowing well. First, a lot of people are nervous about deleting something by accident. Archiving gives you a safety net. Nothing disappears for good unless you choose to make it permanent. Second, once you know how to duplicate sections and pages, you stop building from scratch every time. That's the difference between spending hours on a layout and spinning up a new page in minutes. And third, if you work with clients, the account transfer is the step that closes a project cleanly. It moves ownership and billing directly to the client. That's what makes handovers professional. Let's start with archiving. Step 1 is to archive a project. Find your project on your dashboard and click the 3 dots in the bottom right corner of the project card. From the menu that appears, select Archive. The project disappears from your active view, but it's not gone. It moves to archived projects and you can bring it back any time. Step 2 is archiving a subpage. The process is the same for individual pages inside of a project. Open the project, find the subpage you want to archive, click the 3 dots and select Archive. That page will now move to archived pages within the project. One thing worth knowing, you can have an unlimited number of archived projects. It doesn't matter how many you accumulate, they have no effect on your active projects whatsoever. If you want to remove something for good, you can do that too. From the archive view, click the 3 dots on the project page or select Delete Permanently. Just be certain before you do this, once something is permanently deleted, there is no way to restore it. To get a project back, go to your Archive tab at the top of your project's view. Find the project that you want to recover, click the 3 dots and select Recover. It will be back in your active projects immediately. Step 2 is restoring a subpage. Same process for pages. Inside of the project, switch to the Archive tab in the Pages view, find the subpage, click the 3 dots, and hit Recover. Now let's look at duplicating. This is one of the biggest time savers on the platform. Step 1 is to duplicate a project. If you want to reuse an entire site structure and content for a new project, you can duplicate the whole thing. Click the 3 dots in the bottom right of the project card and select Duplicate. A dialog box will appear asking you to enter a new title and a new Onepage domain. Keep in mind, every domain can only be used once, so you'll need to give this copy its own unique slug. Fill in the details and click Duplicate, and your new project is ready. Step 2 is duplicating a page. These steps are almost identical for pages. Open the project, find the subpage that you want to copy, click the 3 dots and select Duplicate. In the pop-up, enter a new page title and a new page slug, then click Duplicate. Your new page will appear in the project right away. Step 3 is duplicating a section. Sections are even faster. While you're in editing mode, hover over the section that you want to duplicate. On the right side of the section, click the 3 dots to open the section menu, then click Duplicate. This new section appears instantly, and you can drag it anywhere on the page. Now is for the account transfer. This is the feature agencies use to hand a finished project directly to a client. Before we get into the steps, one important thing to understand. Transferring a project removes it from your account entirely and places it in the recipient's account. Once that's done, you will no longer have access to it. If you want to keep a copy for yourself, save the project as a template or duplicate it before you do the transfer. So step 1 is to start the transfer. Go to the Projects tab, find the project that you want to transfer, click on the 3 dots and select Transfer Project. Enter the email address of the recipient. One requirement to note, the recipient needs to already have an active OnePage account registered to that email address before you initiate the transfer. Step 2 is to confirm the transfer. Once you submit, OnePage will send a confirmation email to you, the current owner. Check your inbox and click Confirm Project Transfer. Make sure that you're logged into your OnePage account when you do. The recipient doesn't need to do anything on their end. The project just simply appears in their account after you confirm. The transfer usually completes in seconds. If the project has a lot of pages, it may take a minute or two, but that is expected. If you're moving a project between two accounts that both belong to you, the process is exactly the same. The one thing to get right is which account you're logged into and the confirmation step. Here is the order to follow. Log into your sender account, start the transfer to your other account's email address, check your inbox and confirm the transfer while still logged into the sender account, log into your recipient account, and find the transferred project waiting there. Now let's answer a couple of common questions regarding account transfers. Can I share a project instead of transferring it? Yes. OnePage has a collaboration feature that lets you grant access to a client without transferring ownership. You can also set permissions to read only if you want them to view without editing. Can I transfer just one subpage instead of the whole project? No. Transfers only work at the project level. If you need to move a single page, save it as a template, create a new project from that template, and then transfer the new project. Can I transfer my templates? No. Only projects can be transferred. The workaround is to create a project using your template and transfer that project. What if the confirmation email doesn't arrive? Check your spam and junk folders first. If it's still not showing up, contact OnePage support via the live chat or email support@onepage.io. Include the project URL and the email addresses of both the sender and the recipient. Can I cancel a transfer? Yes, as long as it hasn't been confirmed yet. Go to your dashboard, find the project, and you'll see a cancel transfer option while it's still pending. And that covers everything. You now know how to keep your dashboard clean with archiving, how to build faster with duplicating, and how to hand off projects to clients the right way. The best way to get comfortable with all of this is to try it in your own account. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Good luck with your next project, and I'll see you in the next one.